आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Here the question is given that suppose a is a complex number and n belongs to natural number and such that a power n is equals to a plus 1 whole power n is equals to 1, then the least value of n. Here this is the question given that we need to find out the least value of n here, so that the least value of n, so that a power, so we have taken assume that a is equals to x plus iy here. Here the question is given that a power n is equals to a plus 1 whole power n, that is equals to 1 here, so that here modulus of a is equals to 1, that is equals to here x square plus y square, that is equals to 1 here, so that squaring on both sides, here we get that x square plus y square is equals to 1. This is equation number 1 here. So that the next step here we can see that modulus of a plus 1, that is equals to x plus 1 whole square plus y square, the equals to 1 here. Square root of squaring on both sides, here we get that x plus 1 whole square plus y square equals to 1 here. Here a plus b whole square formula, so that here we get that x square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square equals to 1 here. In the question it is given that x square plus y square is equals to 1 here. Here x square plus y square, so that here we get that in the place of x square plus y square we get 1 here. 1 plus 2x equals to 1 here. Okay, 2 plus 2x equals to 1 here, and 2x equals to minus 1, x equals to minus 1 by 2 here. Here we need to find the value of y, so that here substitute x in the place of equation 1, so that here we get that x square plus y square equals to 1 here. Okay, in the place of x we can substitute minus 1 by 2 whole square plus y square is equals to 1 here. Okay, so that y square is equals to 1 minus 1 by 4 here, and y square is equals to 3 by 4, and the value of y is equals to plus or minus root 3 by 2 here. Okay, and the next step here we can see that in the question we have taken a is equals to x plus iy. Substitute the values of x and y here, so that a is equals to x plus iy here. We got x as minus 1 here, minus 1 by 2, and y is equals to root 3 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2, so that here we get that two roots here, so that's our minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 I, and minus 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2 here. Here we get that two roots here. This is, assume that this is omega. Here we can see this value is omega, and this one is omega square here. Okay, so that here we can see that in the question it is given that a power n is equals to a plus 1 whole power n. Okay, so that the roots of this equation a are omega and omega square here, so that here we can say a is equals to omega, so that omega power n, that is equals to omega plus 1 whole power n here. Here we all know that one formula, that is 1 plus omega square is equals to 0. Okay, so that 1 plus omega, that is equals to minus omega square here. Omega power n is equals to minus omega square whole power n, so that here we need to find the least value of n, so that the here we can see that the final step, that is n must be a even number, and multiples of 3, then only we get the least value of n. So that here we can see that, so here let's see the options here. The options are 3, 6, 9, 12. So we need to find the least value of n, so that here we need even numbers. The even numbers are 6, 9, 12 here. 6 and 12 here. Sorry, 6 and 12. here we can see the even numbers are 6 and 12 here. Okay, we need to find the least value. The least value is 6. Here the values of n are n is equals to 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on, but we need to only the least value, so that the least value, that is 6. Okay, the option 2 is the right option, so that after solving this question we got the least value as 6. That's it. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।